Hi friends. By the end of this 3-minute quiz, you will be able to identify and understand 15 key structures of a plant cell and their functions. Without wasting a second, let's begin. Identify this organelle. The answer is nucleus, which controls cell activities, stores genetic material, and helps in cell division. Question number 2. It is a chloroplast that contains the green pigment chlorophyll that absorbs light for photosynthesis. There are other plastids like leucoplasts that stores starch, pigments, oils, etc. Question number 3. And you have 3 seconds. The answer is mitochondria that produces energy via cellular respiration. Question number 4. Yes, it is a vacuole that stores water, nutrients, and waste, maintains the turgidity of the cell. It is a cytoplasm gel-like fluid containing organelles that facilitate all cellular processes and chemical reactions. Identify this organelle. It is a Golgi complex that sorts, modifies, and ships proteins and lipids throughout the cell. The 7th one. Yes, it is a rough endoplasmic reticulum that synthesizes proteins, assists folding, sorts proteins, and also checks the quality control. It is a cytoskeleton that maintains cell's shape, supports structure, and helps with transport. 9th structure. It is a peroxisome that breaks down fatty acids, detoxifies harmful substances. 10th structure. It is a cell wall. It is made from cellulose, provides rigidity, protection, and shape to the cell. 11th one. Yes, it is a cell membrane that controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. 12th structure. It is a nucleolus that is inside the nucleus that is involved in ribosome synthesis. 13th structure, which is plasmodesmata, finds cytoplasmic connections that allows transport and communication between plant cells. 14th one. Yes, it is a ribosome that is involved in synthesis of proteins. And the final one. It is smooth endoplasmic reticulum that synthesizes lipids, produces steroid hormones, metabolizes carbohydrates, and detoxifies harmful substances, and also releasing calcium ions. Hope you are benefited from the video. Take care, stay blessed. Thank you so much. You are with biologyexamsforyou.com. Thank you so much for your support.